Who? Ah, good. It's starting.
Yeah, that's what you say. I can never figure out when the hell the studio logos end and the actual movie begins. All right, let's see what you got, Fox.
This video is about Mars, not Bruno Mars, even though he would definitely be more interesting to talk about, but Mars, the actual planet, is the second smallest planet in the solar system and is also known as the Red Planet. Mars got its nickname as a result of high amounts of dust that caused it to change colors. As storms carried dust into the atmosphere, iron within the dust reacted with oxygen, producing a red rust color. Mars takes its name from the Roman god of war. Okay, now maybe the naming of the gods didn't go quite like that, but hey, close enough.
Enough! You are all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
The scale height of Mars' atmosphere is around 6.8 miles and has a diameter of about 6,780 kilometers. On Mars, the sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. It takes Mars 686.97 days to make a complete orbit, which is about 2 years on Earth. Mars' atmosphere consists of approximately 90% carbon dioxide, 1.9% argon, 1.9% nitrogen, and traces of free oxygen, carbon monoxide, water, and methane. Mars' atmosphere consists of 3 different regions. The first one is the upper atmosphere. This is a region with very high temperatures caused by heating from the sun. In this region, atmospheric gases start to separate from each other at these altitudes, rather than forming the even mix found in the lower atmospheric layers. Secondly is the middle atmosphere. This region is where Mars' jet stream flows. And thirdly is the lower atmosphere. This is a relatively warm region affected by the heat from airborne dust and from the ground. Mars has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. It is not thick enough to trap the sun's heat like Venus, so the planet is extremely cold. The average temperature is about negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, it's very, very cold.
I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
At times, it even snows on Mars. The Martian snowflakes, made of carbon dioxide rather than water, are thought to be about the size of red blood cells. Temperatures range from negative 120 degrees Celsius on winter nights to 25 degrees Celsius in the summer. The maximum wind speeds recorded on Mars by Viking landers in 1970 reached up to 30 meters per second, or 60 miles per hour. These winds can be strong enough to create dust storms. Similar to Earth's winds, Mars winds blow from west to east just like in the U.S. According to scientists, the dust storms have lessened, indicating that the winds have lessened due to unknown causes. Speaking of dust, because Mars has so much of it in its atmosphere, it experiences violent dust storms which continually change its surface. All Mars dust storms are powered by sunshine. Solar heating warms the Martian atmosphere and causes the air to move, lifting dust off the ground. Furthermore, the chance for storms is increased when there are greater temperature variations like those seen at the equator during the Martian summer. The planet goes around the sun in a 9% elliptical orbit, with one end 40 million kilometers closer to the sun than the other. Mars reaches perihelion, its closest approach to the sun, on August 30th. During the weeks around perihelion, sunlight striking Mars will be 20% more intense than the annual average. This means the season for dust storms is just beginning. Well, that's all we have for today, folks. Thank you for watching or listening.